Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to deactivate your account on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Whether you're taking a break or planning to leave the platform for good, this updated process will help you do it in just a few minutes. First, open the X app or website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to deactivate. Once you're in, move your eyes to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation bar. There, click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 dots stacked vertically. A small menu will pop up with several options. From that list, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account preferences and privacy tools are located. Next, under the Your Account section, click on the option that says Deactivate your account. X will then show you some important information like what happens when you deactivate, how long you have to reactivate it before it's permanently deleted, and what data remains behind. Take a moment to read through that so you fully understand the process. Once you're ready, scroll down and hit Deactivate. You'll be prompted to confirm this step by entering your account password. This is X's way of making sure it's really you who's deactivating the account. After entering your password, click Confirm, and that's it. Your account is now deactivated. X gives you a short window of time, usually 30 days, to log back in if you change your mind. If you don't return within that time, your account and data will be permanently erased. And that's how you deactivate your account on X using your PC. It's a quick and easy process that puts you in full control of your online presence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.